Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school.
Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution.
The only source of knowledge is experience.
The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination.
Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination.
We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them.
Insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results.
Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding.
In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity.